Going on, everyone? Got a 2023-24 Honda CRV. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the remote key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote. If you look right here on the right bottom side, there's a button. We're going to push it with our thumb, and we're going to pull the emergency key out. We'll turn the remote over with the buttons facing down. Get yourself a flathead screwdriver. Put it in here like this. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to pry the remote open. If you look, there's a seam right here in the middle. Now this can be kind of, I don't know, I want to say, these remotes don't like to open up when they're brand new, so they can be kind of hard to do. All right, and see how that split open like that? We can take the back cover off. And hold the remote like this, okay? I'm gonna recommend that because all this is loose and this can actually come out and the buttons can fall out. But we're gonna hold it like this, put our thumb on the battery a little bit, use a flathead screwdriver, just pry it out. And I'm gonna show you what size it is. The size is going to be a CR 2032. I'm going to have this information down in the description box, along with a link that takes you to Amazon if you want to buy a new battery. So go check that out if you need a new battery. Positive sign facing up. Put it in the top part of the remote first, then click it down in there. Now, when you go to put this back together, the remote is it might fight you a little bit when you want to squeeze this all back together. You just got to make sure you have it all together, and you know you have it all together when the emergency key goes back in. Okay, so you're going to want to squish. You're going to squish it everywhere. You can hear it click and pop. Okay, and you know you got it when the emergency key goes in and clicks and locks. Okay, hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate if you'd hit the like button and leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.